This reading is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan. So this is your energy update, May 1 to 15, 2026. So let's see the energies for you, Scorpio. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Scorpio, what is the energy for you? First half ng May 2026. Okay, so you have creativity. Wow. So maaring meron kang creative project, creative talents and skill set. You will tap into your imagination. So pwedeng iba sa inyo, content creation. Or i-apply mo yung pagiging malikhain mo sa mga projects mo. Pwedeng personal projects, pwedeng sa trabaho yan, sa business, sa bahay. So you will sparkle with your creativity. Let's see what else. Oh, love. There is, maaaring merong focus on your relationship. Okay? Or your connections with others. Or kung ano yung mahal mo na gusto mong gawin. Okay? Can be anything. Like for example, meron kang libangan, mahal mo yung libangan mo. And you will use that, no, to express your love dun sa creative side mo. Or mas magiging creative ka when it comes to relationships. Okay, let's see your overall energy. What is the overall energy for Scorpio? First half ng May. Okay, Queen of Swords. So, someone who is very careful sa kanyang decision making. Some of you rin, alam mo yung may pagka-snob na energy. Yung tipong I feel like you're going to set your boundaries. Hindi lahat pagbibigyan mo. Hindi lahat hahayaan mong maging parte ng buhay mo. You're someone who is very careful, maingat sa mga pagpili sa mga taong pakikisalamuhaan mo. And that is someone who's also logical sa mga decisions na gagawin mo. Mas pag-iisipan mong maigi. Now, your challenge is judgment. So, some of you, you are undergoing a change or a rebirth. Like, you are realizing yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi pala nakakabuti sa'yo. And you're letting go of that. And now, kung ano yung alam mong nakakabuti sa'yo, yun yung hayaan mong manatili sa'yo, sa buhay mo, on the way you do things, on the way you process things, okay? And since nasa challenge mo yan, maybe yung iba sa inyo, nagre-resist kayo sa pagbabago. Yung bang parang, kahit na alam nyo na kailangan na may magbago, in denial pa rin yung iba. Now, your opportunity is the Hangman. Okay, the Hangman is your reflection, self-reflection, pagkakaroon ng bagong perspective sa buhay. Some of you, Scorpio, might be going through a major spiritual awakening ngayong May. Marami ka nare-realize about your life. And the Hangman is also being suspended. So, pwedeng iiwas ka talaga sa mga taong nagbibigay sa iyo ng stress or yung mga hindi aligned sa energy mo, na kung dati okay kayo, ngayon hindi na. So, hindi mo na ipipilit yung mga bagay na alam mo hindi na nagwo-work for you. Okay? You also have the opportunity to learn new things, to gain new perspective in life. I also see na meron kang dating paniniwala na nagbabago na ngayon. Part ng awakening mo yan. Can be any belief system. Now, let's see your blessing. What is the blessing for Scorpio? Blessing sa mga Scorpio. The Two of Pentacles. As a blessing, meron kang multiple opportunities for money, pera. Pwedeng ikaw ay may pagsasabayin na opportunity, trabaho, business, career, source of income, na mas magbibigay ito sa'yo ng stability. Mas magiging busy ka rin sa mga ganap mo. Lalo na kung may kinalaman to sa trabaho mo, sa business, sa pera. And also, this is strength, no? Pagkakaroon ng lakas na mas magawa mo ng sabay-sabay yung mga bagay na gusto mo. Part rin yan ng creativity mo. Okay? So, let's see yung energy ng iyong love life. Love life. Career muna. Career. Career, money, career, finances ng mga Scorpio. What's the energy? Page of Swords. You are learning. Meron kang, curious ka sa maraming bagay ngayon. So, pwedeng sa trabaho, may training ka, or may pinag-aaralan ka para madagdagan ang iyong skills. Or, kung sa business to, nagsa-study ka ng mga bagong strategies, marketing, product development, things like that, okay? In your finances, I also see na mas nagiging interesado ka sa investment, no? Pwedeng stock market or anything na passive income. Okay, let's see naman sa love life. Love life ng mga Scorpio. The Queen of Pentacles. Pagdating sa love life, some of you are in a situation, no? Kung kayo ay nasa relationship ngayon, stable yung relationship nyo, you feel like you are being well taken care of, yung needs mo. If you are single, I think you are more focused on your stability, your finances. Hindi muna sa love. Kung single ka. Okay? And let's see what else. Final message for Scorpio. Passion. Dito na papasok yung creativity ninyo. Light up your life by honoring your deepest desires. 'Di ba? So, ano ba yung deepest desire mo? You've been thinking about it for a long time. Na gagawin mo ba? Susubukan mo na ba? Ipupursue mo na ba? And this is your sign to focus also and focus on your passion and take a chance in pursuing your dreams. Okay, so that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.